So we are now in round 23 of the border, SB1 square border 1, Jamie, Claire and Frank. And I've already made round 20 and round 21. And in round 21 it was just a single crochet in back loop only on every third on every third stitch. So now in this round 22, I've got 1, 2, 3 free front loops here, and I'm going to work into the 4th front loop. This is the round where I'm going to make just a few popcorn stitches. And if you look at the pattern or at the chart, you will see that there is an option, instead of working popcorn stitches, which is what is suggested, you could also work a cluster stitch. And I'm going to work a popcorn stitch here, and I work it with 3 double crochet. But if you want them bigger, you can make 4. Just be aware that maybe you need more yarn if you work a 4 DC popcorn, or even if you work a 4 DC cluster. So I'm going to work into this free front loop here, and to make the popcorn I work the 3 double crochet, so that's 2 and 3. I'm going to let go of the loop. I find the first double crochet here, and I go into this from front to back, and I'm going to pull that loop through, and I'm making another chain just to close it. So in the end I will have 2 loops here, which is, well, it will look like I've got 2 loops here. You just need to remember this one is from the single crochet, and this here, the one that you see here, is going to be the loop that belongs to the popcorn. But because I skip 1 stitch behind here, and I go in the next stitch for the single crochet. So you see it looks a little bit, it's too bright, you can't really see it very well. Maybe like that. You can see this one is the loop we're going to work into. Okay, and that's all you need to take care of in this round. Actually, there's just 1 more popcorn to work, which is in the 4th free front loop from the other side, and that's it for this round. There is not much more to it.